Let's make Ariana Grande's wedding dress in a day. Not that one, this one. Since we don't have any images of the front of her dress, I'm shooting in the dark here, draping the fabric for the mock-up ready for the fitting. After it's fit, we pull the panel pieces apart, pin, stitch, and press the panels together. The bodice is almost done. I used so many pins for this. Now for the boning, which isn't actually bone, it's plastic, so you could just call it plasticking. And now it's time to disappear. Just kidding. It's time to cut out the skirt. Cutting, sewing, pinning the bodice to the skirt, ready for the grande reveal. I hope you enjoyed this unhelpful tutorial. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy me loving myself as Ariana Grande for 20 seconds straight.